Understanding the concept of love.
Verb, to have strong feelings of affection, care, or attraction. I love spending time with my family. She loves chocolate more than anything else. Noun, an intense emotional connection or fondness. Her love for her children is unconditional. True love is hard to find. Verb, to find something delightful or enjoyable. I love this song, it always cheers me up. He loves hiking in the mountains. Noun, informal sports, a score of 0 in tennis. The score is 15 love in her favor.
Common phrases and expressions.
In love, to have strong romantic feelings for someone. They're still in love after 20 years of marriage. Fall in love, to begin to feel romantic affection for someone. She fell in love with him the moment they met. Love at first sight, the experience of falling in love with someone instantly. He knew it was love at first sight when he saw her. Love is blind, a saying that implies love overlooks flaws or imperfections. Even though they're so different, love is blind. Love to hate, to dislike something but also find it fascinating. That TV show is something I love to hate. Head over heels in love, completely infatuated with someone. He's head over heels in love with her. Love of my life, someone regarded as a person's true or greatest love. She is the love of my life, and I can't imagine being without her. Tough love, a way of dealing with someone by being strict for their benefit. Her parents practiced tough love to teach her discipline. Unrequited love, love that is not returned by the other person. He suffered for years because of his unrequited love for her.
Derived words and related terms.
Lovely, something or someone delightful or beautiful. You look lovely in that dress. Beloved, someone who is dearly loved. She is his beloved wife. Lovable, easy to love or admire. The puppy is so lovable and sweet. Loveless, without love or affection. And they were trapped in a loveless marriage.
Lover, a romantic or sexual partner.
They were secret lovers for many years. Lovebird, a term for affectionate couples or a type of parrot. Look at those two lovebirds holding hands.